Today I'm demonstrating the math feature on OneNote. OneNote is a cross-platform application or online feature offered through Windows. The application can be accessed through Mac or any iOS devices such as iPads or iPhones. It can also be accessed through any Android devices such as tablets or phones. So right now I'm going to demonstrate the math feature. And I'm going to draw out a simple linear equation using my mouse. You can draw using your fingers or a stylus, really anything that you have available, depending on the device that you're using. Okay, so now that I've drawn this out, I'm going to click this lasso button, and I'm going to select, or really draw, around the function, and then I'm going to hit this math button, and then it doesn't show me the right equation, so I'm just going to fix individual items here. Hopefully we can get the right one. Sometimes it can be a little difficult, but we got that one. And then we're going to fix this 4. Okay, and then, so we'll actually just highlight this whole function so we can get the right one. Okay, so now that we've done that, you can go to this drop-down list that will allow you to solve for x or y or graph in 2D. So let me just click through this and show you what it shows. Okay, so now we have the graph, and once the graph is up, we can go to this drop down and it'll help you show any features that you'd like to see, such as zeros or y-intercepts. And once you click on those, it will show you their places on the graph. So that is the math feature.